I put on my coat. I put off my coat. Most of the time, we use this type of group verbs in our sentences or in our speaking. If you want to learn this type of group verbs, please invite it in my class today. Okay. First of all, we will learn a group verb, that is look after. Look after means দেখাশোনা করা. Look after means দেখাশোনা করা. We should look after our parents at their old age. Look down upon, ঘৃণা করা. Hate. Look down upon, hate. Don't look down upon the poor. Don't look down upon the poor. Look for, খোঁজা. Look for, খোঁজা. I am looking for a job. I am looking for my phone. I am looking for my headphone. Okay. Go on. Go on. Continue. চালিয়ে যাওয়া. Go on your classes. Go on your learning English with Alamin sir. Go through. Go through. Go through means পড়া, study. Go through the line. Go through the passage. Go through the passage. Okay? Go through the poem. Pen through. Pen through. কেটে দেওয়া. Pen through the line. Pen through the words. I pen through the look after. I pen through the look down upon. I pen through the look for. I pen to go on. I pen to go through. I pen to pen through. Okay? Best of luck.